y'all, it's Nova, the alpha of the Wolfpack, and I just wanted to come on here and record this voiceover to a trade that I took on December the 22nd. So I took this trade on gold. When I was doing my analysis, I didn't record it, unfortunately, but I wanted to make sure I recorded my actual trade and everything like that for you guys. So basically, and I know I didn't do a voiceover in my last video, so I added music to that video. So getting in the hang of, I'm starting to get in the hang of, doing my voiceovers. This is all new to me, so bear with me as I do my commentaries. Of course, it's gonna get better over time the more I do them, but I hope you guys do enjoy this video, and it's gonna be more to come as well. So stay tuned for that, and make sure you guys subscribe and like and comment as well. Also, if you guys want to connect with me on the Wolfpack social medias, all those social media handles are located in the my YouTube bio description. So feel free to check those out and connect with me on there as well. I share content on Twitter, my Instagram page, and TikTok. So, but yeah, feel free to connect with me on with the Wolfpack Traders on there as well. And yeah, I basically created the Wolfpack Traders group because, of course, if you guys are just now starting out trading or have been trading, then you guys can kind of probably feel like you guys are alone in your journeys, and like you can't like really relate to people. You can't really talk about trading and stuff like that. So I wanted to create this community to basically, and it's free, by the way, as well. As of right now, it's free to join. So basically, I created this community of the Wolfpack Traders for other hungry traders like myself who are hungry for success and hungry for these setups, and for trading, for people who just love charting and just trading in general. So I created this group to attract other like-minded traders who want to have a community of where they can talk about their trades and their analysis, and encourage each other and empower each other. I don't feel like enough of that goes around in the trading industry. I feel like it's like very, it's like people always competing against each other. So I want just to create this group to have a community of, like I said, other like-minded traders like myself and other hungry traders as well. So but yeah, man, so let's get into it. So basically, as you can see here, I took a trade on gold. It was bullish. So when I was doing my analysis, it was bullish. So I took a buy, and when I first placed my trade, I forgot to actually put my stop loss there. So as you saw earlier in the video, I did edit my trade, and I did put my stop loss in there. So that way I'm controlling my risk. Now, since this is a small flip account, this is one of my small accounts that I am currently seeing how much I can flip this to. So that's why you can see that like my stop loss is it's kind of tight. I kept it kind of tight because of the it's a small account, and you guys should know by now. Well, if you don't know, then I'm gonna let you guys know that risk management is the most important thing in trading. Risk management is the most important thing in trading. If you guys are starting off with small accounts, you guys definitely want to make sure that you are managing your risks, because you can't be risking a lot of money when you have a small account, because if that trade goes against you and you don't have a stop loss set, you pretty much blowing your whole damn account. You know what I'm saying? So risk management is very important. That's way more important than how much money you can make. You can't control how much money you can make in trading, but you can control your risk. Okay, so don't focus on how much. It's cool to know your profit potential, but you want to make sure that you're actually honing in on your risk management and prioritizing that over your profit potential. Okay, but yeah, you can see I placed that stop loss, so I'm controlling my risk, and currently I believe that on this date when I took this trade, as I'm recording this voiceover, it's not a live voiceover. I'm basically just because I forgot to actually do the commentary when I was doing the screen recording. So I went back and basically I'm just adding this voiceover to this video. So that's why you don't hear me talking like as I'm doing, as you can see the screen as it moves, like when you see me placing like the stop loss and stuff like that. I wasn't actually talking about it at that specific time that you were seeing it in the video, so this voiceover is pretty it's just now being added to the video. But yeah, man, so I'm on the buy, and I believe this. I did my analysis. Started off with the higher time frames. I'm a swing trader mostly, but with this small account, like I said, I got to keep my risk management tight. So I'm pretty much like day trading right now until the account grows bigger to where I can actually like swing longer, like hold my trades a lot longer, and be able to risk a little bit more. But as of right now, I want to I want to basically like just not be stressed out and shit. So I'm keeping my stop loss tight, and I'm using the lower time frames to basically get in and out. Okay, so I'm not holding the full swing yet, but eventually I will, and you guys will see that in the future. But yeah, currently, when you guys first seen the trade pop up on the screen after the intro, basically the trade was basically in the negative, so I was in drawdown. But as you can see, well, I'm still in drawdown right now, but as you can see, gold is currently about to break a high. It's about to break another high. So basically, I'm waiting for that high to be broken so it can continue on further up, because I believe this is going to, well, when I placed this trade, I believe that this was going to 44, yeah, as you can see up there around that area, 4408. Now, trading is basically a waiting game. You got to have patience, like you can't you can't like rush the markets or anything like that. You got to take your whole feelings out of the damn market. The market don't give a damn about your feelings. So take your feelings out, set your alerts. That's what I did. I set my alerts. So as you can see on my charts, you see those the red line right there, and the red line at the top and the red line at the bottom, and these zones as well. So I've set alerts to where I don't have to really stay on the charts like that. Like I actually ended up falling asleep during this trade. As you can see, the time currently on this trade is 7:20 was 7:22. It's now 7:23. But soon you're going to see the transition happen to where it's okay. So see, now I'm up. But yeah, soon you're going to see the time change from the top. So it's going to go from 7:23 to like 9 something. I think that's when I woke back up to check my trade. So yeah, but as long as you got your alerts set, you pretty much good. You can pretty much go about your day or night and do whatever. As long as you have your phone on you and your notifications turned on and not silenced, then you'll be able to still manage your trades even though you're not actually sitting there staring at the charts, or your brokerage account. So but yeah, and also I wanted to show you guys that you guys can do this shit from your phone. Like, you see this shit? I'm doing this shit from my phone, bro. Like, you can really do this shit from your phone as long as you got a reliable internet connection, bro. It don't matter where you are in the world. You can do this shit. Make money. Literally print fucking money from your phone if you know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? And you ain't got to talk to nobody. You ain't got to deal with nobody. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm choosing to, record my trades now and my content and stuff like that. Number one, to break out of my comfort zone, and also to, just show you guys what's possible, like what you can do with your phone. Like, your phone can literally turn you into a millionaire, like if you stay focused and you actually know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I wanted to get on here and just give this voiceover. Like I said, just to introduce myself. You guys will see more of me as well in the future. You'll see my face eventually as well. Right now it's just voiceovers and screen recordings. But yeah, eventually but soon you guys are gonna be seeing me, you know, talk live to you guys face to face. So, but yeah, man, this trade, like I said, it was in drawdown at first, but as you can see, it turned over, and now I'm in profit. You know, so like I said, the time is still like now 7:28 up there. So you'll see, like I said, in a few, probably in about 30 seconds or something like that, you'll see the transition go, and you'll see the profits potential grow. Like, so right now it went down from like 10 to like now I'm in the 7. So now here go the transition. Now boom, now I'm up a lot. You know what I'm saying? A lot more than what I was before. And look at that shit. Look at that shit. So now I'm about to close this shit out soon. I'm about to close this shit out because I'm pretty satisfied with my profits that I got on this small account. So I'm about to close this shit out and take my profits and shit, enjoy the rest of my night at this time. So as you can see now, like I said, it was 7 something. I fell asleep and I woke back up, and now it's 9 something, and I was up. When I woke back up and I checked the shit, I was up. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm really watching, and you know, about to hit my I'm about to take my profits here soon. So I'm about to close this shit out. And yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed this shit, and feel free, like I said, feel free to connect with the Wolfpack Traders social media on TikTok, Twitter, and Instagram as well. And I got more videos to come for y'all. All right, until then,